Manage your forms as files, collaborations, add-ons, trash, and copy. So now let's enter a Google form and take a look. Now before we enter Google Forms, I'm going to go to my drive and find a Google form that I created. And I see right here one that I recently created. It's called multi-subject practice form. So let's open that up. And if I would like to manage this form as a file, I'm going to go to these three little dots in the top right corner. And it says more. So let's open this up. And I can easily make a copy of this form by pressing this icon. And I have the opportunity to rename the form, but let's just call it right now copy. And now that I have a copy of this form, I'm able to make adjustments and change things while still having the original form right here. And you can see in Google Drive that I have the copy of the form, which maybe I want to play around with a little bit, and I still have the original form right next to it. So let's go back to the original form. We'll go to more again. And let's say I want to move this to the trash. Simply press move to trash. Now it says that the file has been moved to trash. I can take it out or go to Forms home screen. And if I go to my trash, you'll see there it is. And now that it's in trash, I have the opportunity to restore it. So let's restore. And it's back to Drive. So let's go back to the more icon. Next up, get a pre-filled link. And you see up top it says answer questions you want to pre-fill, then press submit. So I can answer these questions and get a link with the answers that I put in, sort of like a correct answer test sheet. So let's say free Sacramento. Some of these answers are filled out. Press submit. And this is the link right here. So we'll copy this link. With the link copied, and let's go to an open web page. Type that link into the search bar. Enter. And now you see the answer sheet or the pre-filled link with some of the answers I put in. I didn't answer all of them, but the ones that I did answer, you can see are saved within the pre-filled link. Now let's go again to the more icon. Add collaborators. Now I just want to say adding collaborators is different than sending a form and sharing it with somebody to fill out. This adding collaborators allows somebody to edit the form questions, to delete responses that you get, to change questions, a bunch of different things. So you're really granting somebody access. You're granting them ownership when you enable sharing settings. So this is a link that allows editing. Up here I can copy this link, or I can share through Gmail, Google+, Facebook, and Twitter. As for who has access and can edit, I'm allowed to change this here. Right now we haven't anyone with the link, but I can make this public on the web, meaning anybody who finds this file is able to manipulate it. If you scroll down a bit, you can invite people. You can add a message here. I'll just type in message. And if you want to prevent the person from sharing the form that you just shared with them with somebody else, you press this right here, and it doesn't allow them to grant editing access to other people. And lastly, add-ons. As I mentioned earlier, you have Gmath, and what's great is you just simply move the clicker over the add-on and it'll give you a little bit of a description of its function. Down here it says creates graphs, statistical displays, multiple choice questions, Some other add-ons you can see right here. Move the cursor over and it gives you a little description. Choice eliminated will eliminate options for a multiple choice, list, or checkbox type of question. And I can scroll down and find more and more. Right now, I would just like to say thank you for your time, and please watch the next video in the series. Share your Google form